Good day, grade 10 students. So now we are going to continue with our discussion in permutation. So for this video, we are going to discuss naman all about the permutation. So earlier we have the permutation of n objects taken R at a time, and then we also have the distinguishable permutation. So for this video, we are going to deal with the cyclic permutation naman po. Ayan. So cyclic permutation, so a special case of permutation where the arrangement of objects is in circular pattern. So yung kanina po kasi natin na permutation ay lahat po yun ay kumbaga arrange or most of them are arranged in a row or in a straight manner. So common example of the cyclic permutation is seating arrangement of people around a circular table. So syempre iba po yung bilang ng permutation kapag naka-row siya doon sa bilang po kapag naka-circular form naman po siya. Because when people are seated around a round table, we cannot say that one is seated on the first seat, unlike in linear permutation. So hindi naman po natin, kumbaga pwedeng sabihin na yung position na yun ay yun yung kumbaga unang pwesto. Okay? So for cyclic permutation, if n objects are to be arranged around a circle, the number of permutation of n different things is given by the formula n minus 1 factorial. So ito po yung gagamitin nating formula if permutation na hiningi sa atin deals with seating them or arranging them in a circular manner or around a circle. So let's have the following examples for us to better understand the cyclic permutation. So for example, number 1, in how many ways can 4 people be seated at a round table? So again po, in how many ways can 4 people be seated at a round table? Ayan. So since the given needs to be arranged in a circular manner, the formula, the quantity of n minus 1 factorial will be used. So substitute lang po natin yung given natin. So ang sabi po ay 4 people po yung uupo, kaya po ang value po natin ng n is 4. So substitute natin sa n minus 1, it will give us an answer of 4 minus 1 factorial. So simplifying, it will give us 3 factorial, and lastly, our final answer will be 6 ways. So ibig sabihin po, there will be 6 ways on how we can arrange those 4 people around a table. Let's have another example. In how many ways can 5 persons be seated at a round table? So this one naman po ay 5 persons naman po, kumbaga yung i-arrange natin around a table or around a round table. Ayan. So since the given needs to be arranged again in circular manner, the same formula will be used. So yung ating quantity of n minus 1 factorial. So our n there will be 5 since we have 5 people that we need to arrange. And then substituting, we will have 5 minus 1 factorial, and it will give us 4 factorial. And then simplifying natin yung 4 factorial, it will give us an answer of 24 ways. So ibig sabihin po, there will be 24 ways on how we can arrange those 5 persons around a round table. And last example po natin for cyclic permutation. So this one is bit complex po kung ikukumpara po natin sa nauna natin dalawang examples. So let's read the problem. In how many ways can 5 persons be seated at a round table if 2 of them wants to always sit together? So kanina po, 5 persons lang ang i-arrange natin sa isang round table. But this time, ganun pa rin po yung gagawin natin. Pero may condition po tayo dyan na kung saan yung dalawang tao po ay kailangan palagi po silang magkatabi. Ayan, so say for example, we have here a round table, and then we have 5 persons. So unahin po natin yung given condition na yung dalawang tao daw po ay dapat lagi silang magkatabi. So yung arrangement po ng dalawang taong yon will be given as 2 factorial or 2 times 1. So there will be 2 possible ways para po ma-arrange yung dalawang taong yon na laging magkatabi. And then after po nating ma-identify, tingnan po natin kung ilan na lang yung natitira nating people or positions. Ayan, so bibilangin po natin kung ilan yung kumbaga elements po natin dun sa ating permutation or ilan po yung magiging value natin ng n. So we have 1, 2, yung tatlong natitirang tao natin kasi yung dalawa nga po ay gusto nilang sila ay magkatabi. And then of course, yung position ng dalawang taong yun. So kailangan kasama pa rin po sa bilang yung dalawang taong magkatabing yun, and they will be counted as one na po since we already have yung 2 factorial. So our solution here or computation here will be yung 2 factorial, yung arrangement ng dalawang taong magkatabi, times yung ating pong formula na po na ginamit kanina, yung n-1 factorial. So by substitution, copy lang natin yung, wait lang po. Okay, nawala lang. Yan, okay. So going back po, yan. So we have 2 factorial times the quantity of n-1 factorial. Okay, by substitution, we'll have 2 factorial, copy lang natin, and then yung n natin is 4, since 4 na lang po yung position na yun, and may iba na po tayong binigay na kumbaga number po para sa dalawang magkatabing ito. And then, solve po natin yung factorial notation, it will be 2 factorial times 3 factorial, and it will give us an answer of 12 ways po. So, ibig sabihin po, there will be 12 possible ways on how we can arrange those 5 people given yung condition natin na dapat laging magkatabi yung dalawang taong yun. Ayan po. So, that is all about our cyclic permutation for our case number 1. So, if you have any questions po regarding this part of the lesson, so message nyo lang po inyong subject teacher. So, good day everyone. God bless and keep safe.